how to make money on Upwork as a social media marketer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we all know Upwork, so let's just get to it and let's see how we can make some money. So this is Upwork.com, as you can see, and the first step is click on get started to create your own account. So here you choose if you want to join as a client or a freelancer. Let's go with a freelancer, then click on apply as a freelancer. And here you fill this information, last name, first name, and all of that. For me, I'm just going to continue with my Google account. And here, as you can see, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in, continue with email. And here you'll type the password of that email, then click on login. Wait for it to be verified. And here you proceed to creating your profile. And the two steps that are very important in the profile creation are these two. Wait. I'm going to show them for you. So I'm going to show you all of the steps that we have in order to create our profile. So here we answer these few questions first. For me, I'm just going to skip them for now. And here you choose how would you like to work. If you want to find opportunities yourself, or you'd like to package up your work for clients to buy. I'm just going to skip that as well. Skip that as well. And here you proceed to creating your profile. Let's choose both of them, then click on next. And here you tell Upwork about yourself for your profile. You can import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload it if it's a PDF, or you can just fill it out manually. So for me, I'm just going to fill out my profile manually. So here you start with your profession. Let's say social media marketer. Then click on next to add your experience. And here, if you have a relevant work experience, you can add it there. I'm going to skip that for now. Skip this as well. And here you choose the languages that you speak, and you choose the level in here, if it's basic, conversational, fluent, native, or bilingual. Let's go with conversational. Then click on next. And here you add your skills. I'm going to go with some of these. Let's choose 3, 4. Then write an overview. So here you create a bio to tell the people that are going to buy your services some things about you, like this one, for example. I'm a developer experienced in building websites for small and So let's go to ChatGPT. This will help a lot. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask them to give us a good bio for our profile. So here, let's start with I'm a social media marketer. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile. I think there is a problem in the platform. So never mind, I think there is a problem in the platform. So I think you get the idea. That's what you're going to do. Let's try again. My Upwork profile. So it's still something wrong with ChatGPT. So just leave it for now. Just wanted to give you an idea. For me, in order to fill the bio space, I'm just going to take this man's bio and copy it to mine. Then click on next to choose your category. And here you search for a service. Let's search for social media marketing, web mobile, design, admin support. Let's just search for our field in here. Here sales and marketing. Let's go with digital marketing. And here click on next to set your rate. And here you choose the price that suits you. For example, let's go with $19. And as you can see, Upwork takes $0.90. Then you proceed to add in your photo and your details. So here just make sure when you upload your photo, as you will find in here, show clients the best version of yourself. So it must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just to keep that in mind, and make sure to upload your own picture and make sure to make a professional picture for your profile. And when you're done with the profile, I'm going to show you how to find work and how to improve your profile by spying on your competitors. So let's just go back to the home page of Upwork, and here you go to this find work button in here, and you have here go to the second option, which is find work for your skills, and you will see all of the posted jobs that are looking for someone like you. So here just type your profession like social media marketing, and you will find a lot of jobs about marketing. And if you want to improve your profile, just look for social media marketers. In here type social media marketers and check their profiles, spy on their profiles, and just if you see something that works for them, just do the same as well for your profile to improve it. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.